Step into the realm of your dream home. Introducing Boatmans Court, where luxury meets convenience in Preston, promising an unforgettable stay. Discover a range of 4 to 6 bedroom ensuite flats designed to offer privacy and a sense of community. Each room features its bathroom, ensuring personal space, while shared kitchens foster camaraderie among residents. Sink into plush linens for a tranquil night's sleep and find inspiration at your study table, softly illuminated to enhance focus and productivity. But that's just the beginning. At Boatmans Court, a sanctuary of modern living, an array of amenities awaits to elevate your experience. A dedicated study space promotes academic pursuits in a conducive environment. Gather in the communal living area for relaxation and socializing, or unleash your culinary creativity in the communal kitchen. Enjoy a hassle-free lifestyle tailored to your needs, with utility bills seamlessly included in your rent. The location couldn't be more ideal, with the University of Central Lancashire just a stroll away and Preston College easily accessible by a pleasant ride. Nestled at the heart of student life, Boatmans Court is surrounded by every convenience imaginable. Step outside to savor diverse culinary offerings at Joy's Kitchen or Bianco, open 24/7 for local and international flavors. The Guild and Black Horse provide perfect venues for those embracing the nightlife. Plus, with convenient transport options nearby, getting around has never been simpler. So why wait? Visit amberstudent.com now and secure your ideal sanctuary at Boatmans Court Preston today.